this. TheoryBoard. Gotta have this, man.
One of the best MIDI keyboards on the market right now.
I'm going on hard with
it. Yeah. Y'all see how easy this TheoryBoard making it for me, man?
Hey, I got something cool to show you. It's called the TheoryBoard. What you do is you pick your scale, pick your mode, pick your key. It loads up every chord in that scale, every note. Change keys at the push of a button, change modes at the push of a button.
About the TheoryBoard. Left side you got the chords, right side you got the melodies of those chords. For instance, today we are in the key of minor A, so that's A minor. We got the chords on this side, but then we also got the melodies up there. You can go octave up, down on either side, and then you even got the follow notes, right? So the craziest MIDI keyboard out.
Instrument to the family today. We have the TheoryBoard, and you see it has all your chords set up and all the keys set up for you.
Well, new toys to set up this weekend. Keyboard stands for the MPCs, and oh lord, the TheoryBoard came in. Can't wait to crack this open, make some new jams, and put them out.
It's called the TheoryBoard. Yeah.
Time for work today. Surprising myself. It's arrived. It's here. God. Oh my God. Look how gorgeous she is.
all composed on the TheoryBoard. See, like that little melody right there, I'll build a whole beat around that.
The theory board is so powerful. So y'all see me just lay down that string section. What I'm gonna do is copy this string section, boom, and I'm gonna lay down the same pattern, but I'm gonna lay down that same chord progression with a different chord structure. Instead of that, I'm gonna hit this inversion button and get. Hot, right? Yeah. So what that allows me to do is just put that in a different element of the song. I'm giving y'all some gems right now. That's a gem. You know what I'm saying?